toy car that I just got. Look at this. Gosh, it's so cool, dude. Can you buy me one too? No, it's my toy car. And I want to buy someone else one too. What about me though? Not gonna buy you one either. Where do you think that? Can we do something, dude? Yeah, can we do something? Let's just watch some TV, I guess. Guys, check out the new Sand Clay. It's out now. Buy it. You gotta buy it. Only $5. And you can get, if it's broken when you come, then you can have the money back. That was this area. But go buy now.